Hi, my name's Divinity. This is my behavior change project. So the behavior that I wanted to change was my eating habits, just because it's hard for me to continue eating healthy. So I always start and I do good for months, and then all of a sudden I go back to school and I eat everything that I wasn't eating. So I know it's really bad to be going back and forth. I've noticed it's kind of hurt my metabolism and just, yeah, it's a mess. So I really want to completely commit to this. My short-term goal, so by June 24th, I wanted to stop eating ice cream before bed. I've had this habit since I was a child. I used to, I've first cut what I ate in half last summer, so that helped. I used to eat a full cup of ice cream. I would shove as much ice cream in a cup and eat it before bed, and that's just really bad. So I cut that down to half, so I was really proud, and I'm really proud to say that I did stop eating ice cream as much as I did, and before bed I didn't do it thanks to this project. So I replaced Bluebell with Halo Top. It's ice cream, but it's a lot less calories, a lot less creamy, doesn't have all the bad stuff in it. It's a little healthier. So it was a good treat for me and to break that ice cream habit. By July 1st, I wanted to drink water every single day. I drink water every day, but the goal was that I have this pink water bottle. It's pretty good size, and I wanted to drink 4 to 6 of them in a day, because I drink a lot of water, but I don't drink the amount that I know I should be drinking, considering the fact that when I work out, I just sweat so much, and I really need to put that water back into my body, and I think it'll help me physically. So yeah, that was my short-term goals. My long-term goal was by the 2nd, which is tomorrow, I wanted to eat healthier and better portions. And my reward to myself was to find something to make eating healthier fun and easier. So those meal prep things, those containers, yeah, I've wanted those, or just something that would get me excited, because yeah. My outcomes, did I achieve my goals? I achieved one goal, which was the ice cream. I'm not gonna lie, I washed my water bottle and then I kind of just tossed it to the side, and I just wasn't drinking the amount that I said I wanted to drink, so it was basically drinking my normal intake of water. I was unable to eat healthier for dinner. My breakfast was much better. I ate egg whites, turkey bacon. For lunch, I cut down to tuna or a sandwich. And then for dinner, it was just hard for me because I have a PM class from 5. I have to leave the house around 5, and I don't get home till 10:30. And so cooking at night is just not my thing. So I ate whatever my parents had, or if they had gotten fast food, I would just pick myself up some Whataburger, which I don't do often, but I wasn't eating what I want to be eating. Not that it was completely unhealthy. I will say I did better on the portion part, because so last summer when I was trying to gain muscle mass, I had to eat a lot, and I feel that habit just kept going to eating so much, and so I knew I needed to cut down. I basically eat all the time, so I feel my portions were a little better. I just wasn't eating the things that I wanted to be eating. Not that it wasn't completely unhealthy, but it could have been better. I think this project was effective because it made me think about what I was doing and what I was eating. So my dad works at Tiff's Treats, and he brought home, basically filled our freezer with Bluebell ice cream because they made an error, and that was a challenge, I'm not gonna lie. So we have all this ice cream, and I couldn't even eat it. But it just was a reminder to myself that, like, I'm trying to make myself better. I can't be eating like this all the time. Like, I'm doing it for me. I'm doing it for my body. I'm doing it for my future. I'm doing it for my health and myself. Like, everything, it just made me, like, rethink the decisions that, like, of what I wanted to eat. So I do like this project. It wasn't as effective for me as I wanted. Like, I didn't reach all my goals as much as I wanted it to be reached, but I think it's effective. It makes you think about what you're doing, and, like, you just have that goal in the back of your head. Like, when you write it down and you say it, it's just a lot more effective than just saying, oh, I'm going to do this. So yeah, I liked it. And that's it. Thank you.